desperate on my knees to breathe. And I hear the voice of an angel telling me not to lay it down. And I feel the spirit guiding, telling me not to give up. Hold on to every promise I've been praying for tonight. I hold on to every garment, won't surrender, not tonight. The shadow rises as I walk through the valley, but I won't let nothing take my heart away. I recognize the powers as they rally, calling names, I break them one by one and face to face. And I hear the voice of an angel telling me not to lay it down. And I feel the spirit guiding, telling me not to give up. Hold on to every promise I've been praying for tonight. I hold on to every garment, won't surrender, not tonight.
Well guys, you have another awesome video, this time from Miami Beach to beautiful Midnight Express and a Velocity powerboat. I guess we were lucky that there was no pelicans or seagulls on the way and we were able to capture this amazing fast-paced video. Again, I want to remind you that it's important for us that you leave comments and thumbs up on the video. That's the only way that I will be able to continue. So please do that, and I will see you in my next video pretty soon. Take care.